How to add SUI wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. Well, to add SUI wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token, follow these steps. Firstly, scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. Next, click on the Manage Crypto button, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add SUI, you need to type SUI in the search bar, but be careful at this point because there is a couple of SUI networks. If you choose the wrong one when sending or receiving your tokens, they may not come to your wallet. So make sure to select this one, then click on it, and finally click Done. Now the SUI token is on the main page of your Trust Wallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, click on it, then click Receive. And one way to receive SUI crypto tokens is by showing this QR code to a person who will send you this crypto token. Alternatively, you can also copy your wallet address and receive SUI crypto token like that.